CC is taking the lead on the French investigation into the aviation giant Dechert and Clifford Chanc. CC are advising Airbus on the joint Anglo-French criminal investigation into allegations of fraud, bribery and corruption in the company's civil aviation business. 5 free articles across the subscription network every 30 days. The Legal Week Daily News Alert, Editor's Highlights and Breaking News digital newsletters, plus your choice of over 70 newsletters. Exclusive discounts on events and publications. Already have an account? Sign in. May exclude premium content.